How to log into your Hulu account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, you have to search for Hulu. It will land you on this interface. You have to move into the very first site, hulu.com. You will be landing on the official page of Hulu. Now in here, what you want to do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen and then click on Login. It will be landing you in this page. In here it says, enter your email to continue. Log into Hulu with your My Disney account. If you don't have one, you will be prompted to create one. So all you want to do is enter the email address that you are associated with and then click on continue. After that, you have to enter the password of your account and then you'll be logged into your specific account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log into your Hulu account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.